someone is looking at a tooth implant option, especially if they're replacing one tooth, they're also looking at other options. Can you expand on those other options and compare them with the dental implant option?
Certainly. When considering replacing a single tooth, common alternatives include dental bridges and partial dentures. A dental bridge typically involves crowning the adjacent teeth to support the replacement tooth, which differs from implants that don't affect neighboring teeth. Partial dentures are removable devices. Each option has its own considerations regarding procedure, cost, and long-term care, so it's best to discuss these with a dental professional for personalized advice.
Okay, that's fair enough. So I think you mentioned dental implant versus a dental bridge is a very common comparison. Can you elaborate more on this? Which one do you think is better overall, considering all benefits and inherent risks that each of them have?
Choosing between an implant and a bridge depends on individual factors. Implants offer the benefit of preserving natural bone structure and don't require modifying adjacent teeth, which bridges typically do. However, implants involve a more surgical procedure and a longer healing time. Bridges can be a quicker and sometimes more affordable option, but may not last as long and might impact neighboring teeth. The best choice really depends on your specific dental needs and priorities, which a dentist can fully evaluate.
Okay, but you kind of missed the point also about the bone quality and the eligibility for dental implant. The bone quality, the bone length and width. Maybe it's too technical, but you could have mentioned it at least at the surface level. Do you agree?
You're right. Bone quality is a critical factor. Adequate bone density and volume, including length and width, are essential for successful osseointegration and long-term stability. If bone structure is insufficient, procedures like bone grafting may be necessary to create a suitable foundation. This planning phase is crucial to determine eligibility and potential challenges.